Ok, la maison et les adjectifs. Donc maintenant, on va décrire, describe les parties de la maison avec les adjectifs. So it may be helpful for you to have your furniture notes open or your house notes open where you can quickly see if those items are masculine or feminine. And it will also be helpful for you to have your adjective table out where you can see the different forms of masculine singular, masculine plural, feminine singular, and feminine plural adjectives that we're using. Okay? So if I'm ever going too fast for you, it's the beauty of a video, you can pause. Okay? To give yourself time to look at the notes and then skip ahead to where I go over the answer. Okay? So we have un lavabo, and we're going to describe it with the adjective vert. So let's go through what we need to figure out about how to put this adjective where it goes. So we have un lavabo. So we're describing un lavabo. This word is masculine. If you don't have your notes open, you should be able to tell that lavabo is masculine because of this un. If it were feminine, it would be U-N-E or L-A. But we have un, U-N, so that is a masculine word. Now let's look at our adjective. Vert. Vert means green. So, beauty, age, goodness, and size adjectives go before the noun. Everything else goes after. So, vert, meaning green, is not beauty, age, goodness, or size. So, it's going to go after our word. Lavabo is masculine singular. So, we keep vert as masculine singular. So, now we have un lavabo vert, a green bathroom sink. Okay, I'm going to walk through, verbalize all those steps for you for about 2 more slides, 2 or 3, we'll see. En bureau, it's a masculine word, described with the word français. Français means French. So, French is not beauty, age, goodness, or size. So it's going to go after the word bureau. Since un bureau is masculine singular, we do not need to change anything about the word français. So we have un bureau français, a French desk. Ooh, fun one. Okay, les lampes, L-E-S. That L-E-S tells us that this word lamp is plural. We can also see that it ends in S. So just like in English, words that end in S are normally plural. So look at your notes and see if that word is written, if you've typed that word in blue or pink, to know if lamp is masculine or feminine. It's feminine! So we need to make our adjective feminine plural. Feminine plural. Okay, so now let's look at our adjective. We're using the word vieux, which means old. So old is a beauty, age, goodness, or size adjective. It's a bags adjective because old is age. So now we know that we need to make vieux, feminine plural, and we need to move it before the noun. So vieux is one of our irregular adjectives. So if you're looking at your adjective table, it's going to be all the way down at the bottom on the second page. And we need to find the feminine plural form of that. And we need to put it before the word lamp. So, I'll give you a couple seconds. Remember, you're either writing this down on your own piece of paper or you are typing it in a separate Google Doc. And then when I go over the answers, you are checking your answers to see if you were able to use that adjective correctly. So you should have gotten vieille, V-I-E-I-L-L-E-S. That is the feminine plural form of old. Vieille lampe. Those old lamps. Old lamps. Okay. Les portes. Oh, we have another plural word. So look back at your notes. Decide if, look and see if porte is either masculine or feminine. We already know that it's plural, but we need to know if it's masculine plural or feminine plural. It should be in pink on your notes. Porte is a feminine word, so we need to make our adjective feminine plural. Let's look at our adjective. We have the word grand in parentheses. Grand means big, so that is a size adjective. Beauty, age, goodness, or size adjectives go before the word. Now we need to decide how to make grand into feminine plural. So this is a regular adjective. It follows our normal pattern. So to make it feminine, we add in E. To make it plural, we add an S. So our new phrase is grande porte. ES on both of those words. Grande porte, big doors. Okay? Now I'm going to go through this. I'm going to not talk. I'm just going to read the words out loud, give you about 30 seconds to look at your notes and figure out how to say that or rewrite that adjective in the word correctly. If you need longer, pause the video before I give you the answer. Okay? 2 adjectives. So you are describing une baignoire with the adjectives petit and bleu. See what you can do with that one. Okay, so une baignoire is feminine. Petit goes before and bleu goes after. So you should have written down une petite with an E and then bleu with an E. Une petite baignoire bleue, a small blue bathtub. So petite went before because it is a size adjective, bags. Bleu went after because it is not. Une douche, a shower, described with the word noir, black. 30 secondes. Okay, so you should have written down une douche noire. Une douche is feminine, noir goes after because it's not bags, and then you have to add an E to make noir feminine, a black shower. Un miroir, described with the word petit. 30 secondes. You should have written down un petit miroir. Petit goes before because it is a size adjective, and miroir is masculine, so we don't have to add any letters. Un petit miroir, a small mirror. Les rideaux, curtains, pluriel, described with petit. You should have written down petit rideau, S on petit, to make them plural, small curtains. Goes before because it's a size adjective. Une fenêtre, described with violet. Fenetre is feminine, so you should have written down une fenêtre violette. Double the T to get that feminine form of purple, a purple window. Un lit, a bed, described with the word beau. Beau means beautiful or handsome. so it should go before un beau lit. I'm going to do 3 more with you. Une armoire, described with the word grand. Armoire is feminine, so we need to move grande before the word. It's a size adjective and add an E to it to make it feminine. Une grande armoire, a big armoire, a big wardrobe. 2 more. Une table, described with the adjective vert, green. Une table verte. Une table verte. Vert goes after because it's not beauty, age, goodness, or size. We add an E because table is feminine. Une table verte, a green table. Last one. Un fauteuil. Un fauteuil, an armchair, described with petit. Petit is small, so it should go before. Un fauteuil is masculine singular, so we have un petit fauteuil, a small armchair. Okay, you can continue to practice these with the rest of the PowerPoint or with Quizlet, because we are going to do lots of description for our final project for this. So make sure you have this type of activity down.